Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here today. Okay, an FM 2280 karlstad. Sometimes it's quite aggressive, usually. I'll play this without bishop g5 being a nuisance. Alright, so can I play just crudely queen d7, bishop h3? So playing for bishop h3. At the right time. Bishop h3 here. Or is it just helping him? What about c6? Just trying to blunt this c file. Is that useful? I don't know. The bishop could come back instead of taking the. Or there's queen f5 to consider. I think if I just bring the bishop back and then... why would I want to exchange it here? Bishop e2 is almost useful. Let's do that. I think f5, f4 is going to be interesting. Just trying to break this pawn chain a little bit. So an immediate threat, I think. So I'll play for f4. Try to extend this bishop as well. Get control of d4 a bit. I'm getting a clock of edge here anyway. So, threatening f3, it's looking a little bit scary for him for a 5-minute game, I think. Bishop e4 is d5, I think. So this f3 is looking dangerous. Just let me play it. There's queen c3 on the cards for g7. What about knight d5? Just stopping that queen c3 business. Actually, bishop h3 there was rook e7. That's good, I missed that possibility. So bishop h3 here, he wants to give out the exchange. Do I want to just keep the pawn on f3? Because otherwise it's... We'll just take the exchange. I think I want to... Actually, I want to keep the pawn for fun. If I can double my pawn, keep the bishop out of the game. I think that would be quite good fun. Also, things like knight e3 might be on the cards. Or rook f4. Knight e3, rook f6. I think I'll unpin the knight. He's not yet on the bishop. So I play just to keep the bishop out of the game. Now he's on the bishop. Was it h5? Okay. So I'm reinforcing that f3. Can I hit f2? Queen here to here. Was bishop f5? I don't know. Bishop h3 to g2. Let's try and get focal point on f2. If I play bishop g2, queen h3. That could be fun. I'm hoping. Bishop g2 takes, and that f2 is a problem. It's also queen h3 for mating on h1. I was taking that out of the equation. I think I can still pardon me, do this because of that f2 pressure. I'll go back to the attacking location. So queen h3 on the cards. It's going to give me f2. And there's rook f2 here. Right. That's knight c7 for the check. Get a few checks.
Check.
Oh, I've got a coughing fit as well.
Check. Check.
Well, the knight's pinned at the moment. Although it's starting to look dangerous, I'll play this instead, I think. I'm going to play knight c3 and take out this knight. I get a chance with that pin to take out the knight. Oh. Okay, knight d4 holds the e6 square, I think.
Check.
There's a check here on a2, or there's c5, maybe c5 for a moment. Now knight f3 does get rid of the
check.
The knight. So I've got a clock of H here, but it's I can take this one.
Check.
Let's try and hold on here. This right. So g6 here. Or c4. Maybe just c4 because I'll be winning that rook and pawn ending, that king and pawn ending. I'll keep my passed pawn.
Check.
I was going to take my passed pawn.
Check.
Yeah, he's taking my passed pawn.
Check.
So what do I do?
Check. Check.
It's queen g4. Is he going some sort of mating net?
Check.
It's queen d2. What does he do to queen d2?
Checkmate.
Oh, it's checkmate. That was fun. Blimey. Yeah, I thought the king was wandering out. Did he want to win that or something? Yeah, exciting game. Sorry about the coffee. I think I've still got a little bit of a cold. So black's okay here, as you might think. Bishop h3 apparently was better. Just going for the well, If he moves, yeah, bishop g2 there. Yeah, so all that immediately, bishop h3 instead of here, makes a difference. If he took here, I mean, is this really, I guess it's really bad, yeah. So bishop h3 immediately instead of this, seems, well, bishop h3 here again, I did do that. Bishop g2, okay, this is okay what I play. Oh no, are you kidding me? A routine recapture. No! Oh, Muppets. Queen h3. Oh, no. That was the idea anyway, Queen h. That's just a forced mate. What a Muppet. It's mate next move. Of course it is. What am I thinking to take here to recapture? I was thinking about f2, I think, and about him opening up. And of course I've just made this Queen h3 available. Okay, major blunder there. So it's back to being an interesting game. Apparently knight c7 is strong here. What's going on here now? Knight c7. If he takes queen h3 again. So knight c7 is still strong with the queen h3 idea. So what is he going to do? Give up the exchange. Oh, this is good here. Apparently, yes. If the knight moves, check.
Check. Check.
Of course, it's horrible, isn't it? So yeah, the attack should have finished him off.
Check.
There, and instead we get this ending, which is
check.
Hard.
Check.
After this, I think so. I blundered again. That c pawn. Oh no, I think it was
check.
To win this
Check. Check.
Some
Check.
help from him.
Check.
For the self-mate.
Check. Check.
Yeah.
Checkmate.
Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.